We wanted to specifically pick your brains on, what the modern CFO stands for. Because see, earlier we all know that the financial reporting person, or whoever was looking after controllership by default would become the CFO, but they wouldn't always be a business partner, right? But today, you're leading one of the most exciting, fashion brands for women. I'm personally a FableStreet customer. I love the brand. And today's CFOs are not just custodians of the financial data or the P&L and the balance sheet. Today's CFOs are business partners. They're probably tech enablers. They are communicating with investors and management. So I'm sure this is a part of your daily routine, and we just wanted to know which of these dimensions excites you the most, and how do you think the CFO role is going to keep growing or evolving?
So this also change of mindset has come when I have done my uh, CFO program, leadership program from IIM Calcutta. So there, where we were given many of the analysis and many of the strategies was there discussed for a business about from corporate governance to business, that what went wrong or what right they have done, what Starbucks has done or what Tata has done. So we have done many presentations during a 1 year leadership program. So there the strategies or things has come into place, that was even CFOs are responsible or therefore taking the business thing, that what extra we have to do, what is the into business line. So earlier we were that in LG or something, that we are doing our part of custodian, record, bookkeeping every day. But if business is not going on, what is the path? Where we are missing? What our competitors are doing? What we are not doing? So making competitors analysis and uh, giving proactive fuel to the business, that was these are the things, these are the numbers, can we do this, can we do this. So at least we can give our suggestions to the business, that we have this 10 suggestions. Maybe being they are into the market, they are into the thing, they will check and validate and will see that okay, these five we can work with and these are good. Or since they are into everyday market, they won't be coming with a different kind of suggestion that was do this. If we come with, and if they feel okay, was this was not clicked by our end, but it's good, it's off the market, but it is something different, so people can do those. So even if when I was in Mandivar, we used to communicate with our MD that we are feeling this is also. So there was some in COVID, we started some forms and thing where all the suggestions, ideas, feedback, that detailed on everything HR has started, that you give the detail, what you feel suggestion, what is going wrong, what is going right, what is this. So there, and it is anonymous, you don't your name is not there. And then if some good suggestions are read by the management, they used to give that okay, this is the thing we are implementing. So regular improve, so we are there for giving the best of the suggestions, and we are there to control, monitor the things as a business partner. And we should see that the parameters, the important metrics, and even the investors, we have a very good investor, so those investors also guide us, and they expect a lot from the CFOs, that you need to manage the business, the expenses, the revenue, we have to knock on this. So we are daily into the struggle, and we wish we are, I could contribute the best to my organization.
Wonderful. So that's a very, very nuanced, role that CFOs will now have to play. So, and I think you've shown the light on that very, very effectively.